So far, you've made your first web page, which showed you how to create a web page. Second one was adding formatting. That was your second web page. Now you're going to build your first website. What's the difference between the website? Website allows you, you're linking many different pages together, at least more than one. In this case, you're going to learn how to add a link to another page and a link to an image that will appear on the page. Here's what you're going to be recreating. This is the model. So title, you already know that. Text, you already know that. You're going to have an image, and here's the link. I click on the link, it goes to the second page. Title, text, you already know that. We have the same structure. Remember, once you have something functioning, never type it again. Copy and paste or do a save as, and then just build upon that. That way it minimizes any errors you might have. So title, text, image, here's a link back to the first page. I'm going to take this, move it off to the side. Now, I'm going to go to my actual page and take this, go like that. I'm going to go to technology classes. I'm going to go to ECS. This is where your resources are. I'm going to go to HTML coding. Inside of there, you've already done first web page and second web page. I'm now going to click on my basic website. Here's the model that I just showed you right here that you'll be recreating. Here's the model handout. This is important because inside this model handout, there's the actual page you'll be recreating. Here's the code. That's the code that will allow you to build this page. Goes to the second one. Here's the page you'll be recreating. I'm going to click on it. And then beneath it is the code that you'll use to build this page. Now this is the most important part many people don't look at. This is the folder structure. This folder structure has to be exact or else this code won't work. If you don't want this folder structure, that's okay. If you don't want to name it as it is named right here, folder, documents, with an S, if you don't want to title it this exactly, then all you have to do, you can call it Bubba if you want. You just have to make sure up here in the code you don't have San Francisco, but you use the word Bubba. This code has to match this folder structure perfectly, no matter what you want to call it. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do it. Step one is I need to make this folder structure. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to move it off to the side. I'm going to go to my desktop. You can go anywhere you want. And I'm going to go right click. You know what I'm going to do? I don't want to have two folder structures here at the same time. So let me check something. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to close it. And I'm going to go right. And this is here, SV Model Basic HTML. So I'm going to go new folder. And I'm going to go SV Model Basic HTML. It doesn't matter if it's capital or not capital at this stage. Then I'm going to open it up, and inside of that folder is, I'm going to have a different look so it's easier. I need a documents folder and a graphics folder. So I'm going to do a control click. I'm going to go new folder, or right click, and I'm going to call documents. And then I'm going to do another one that's going to say new folder graphics. Then inside of the graphics folder, I need to go get two images. Okay, where are those images? I'm going to go back to that web page on that support site, and in there are two images. Whoops, I went too far. Let me go forward. Basic website here. SF, here are the two images that should save. You should save to the graphics folder. There's SF. I'm going to right click on it. Save image as. It says where. I'm going to say desktop. I have a new folder I just made. Here's the new folder I just made, Golden Gate Bridge, and it's a JPEG. Save. And there it is. I'm going to drag it into that graphics folder. I'm going to go back. Here's my world map image. I'm going to right click on the world map image, save image as, and I'm going to put it inside the graphics. I'm going to put it save. Now when I go ahead and I look inside this graphics folder, there should be two images, Golden Gate Bridge.jpg, worldmap.gif. So I'm going to go back, take a look at my folder structure again. Where's my folder? Here it is, model handout. And folder structure, graphics, worldmap.gif, worldmap.gif, GoldenGateBridge.jpg, GoldenGateBridge.jpg, and they're both inside the graphics folder. So far I think I'm doing okay. Now I need to go ahead, I'm going to go into the documents folder, that's this one here. I'm going to build the 2 pages. Click. Why build something from scratch? Always take what you've already made that works. So I have my first web page. I'm going to put it inside the documents one, because at least there I have a basic. If I open this up, Control open with, you guys have Notepad, I have text edit, there it is. So at least I have a basic folder structure, okay? You know what I'm going to do while you're watching me right now? I'm going to click on this. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go see if this works. I'm going to go geography, see down here, .html, and San Francisco.html. Remember when we did our very first web page? I'm going to do this in a different way. I'm going to go open with Notepad. You guys have Notepad. I have text edit. I'm going to call this, I'm going to take this page here, and I'm going to go up to this code here, okay? And I'm going to type this code here directly onto this page here, and then do a save as geography or San Francisco.html or geography.html, and then duplicate it or make another new page and call it the other one, either geography.html or San Francisco.html, and then go ahead and put in this code in one and this code in the other. Quickly go do that, and I'll meet you in the second video.